Hi everyone, today on Simply Maha we're going to be making this corn salsa. We're going to have a creamy sour cream and mayo dressing, and it's going to be full of cheese. Top it off with some chili powder and you're good to go. Let's get started. Now for my salsa, you're going to need your 5 ears of corn, half a green bell pepper. This is optional, but I have a jalapeno that I have de-seeded. I have my garlic and my scallions. Now before we go and broil this or grill it, whatever you're planning on doing, you have to boil your corn for at least 30 minutes until it's nice and soft, and then we can go ahead and char it under the broiler. So after you've boiled your corn for 25 to 30 minutes, we're just gonna char it under the broiler. I'm gonna salt everything. You can grill this, you can put it on your gas burner. I'm just gonna use my broiler because it's a lot easier. A little bit of olive oil. Now, you only wanna get a char on this. You only want color. You don't wanna have the veggies way too soft. So a nice color. And you really have to know your broiler. If it's really hot, you can put it on high and then put it on your bottom rack, or on low and on your top rack. Just keep an eye on it. The veggies might finish a lot earlier than the corn, so if they do, just pull them out and keep the corn inside until all sides are nice and charred. And that's it. Then we'll get to chopping. Okay, so you see how the onions got charred the first thing, and my corn is still charring. I'm probably going to take out my jalapeno and peppers now, and I'm going to flip my corn. So you just want to keep flipping it until it gets evenly colored. Okay, so I've just chopped up all my salsa fixins. I have my mayo, my sour cream. I'm going to add my salt and half a lime, squeeze that in, mix it all together along with half a cup of Parmesan, and then we're just going to top it off with some paprika and cojita cheese. So now I'm just going to go ahead, add my sour cream. After that, I'm going to add about 1/4 of a cup of chopped cilantro. You can add more. I'm also going to garnish the salad with some, and then you just want to mix this. Now, as good as this tastes now, put it in the fridge for about 15 minutes. Let all those flavors marry, blend, and it will be even better. Like I said, you want to put this on a plate, garnish with some paprika or chili powder, and top with some cojita cheese, and there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more easy recipes like this, and I will see you next time.